Welcome to the CirclesScene tutorial in Manim, where we'll explore the magic of animating circles with code. Grab your coding tools, and let's dive right in. Introduction. In this section, we'll cover the basics of drawing a simple circle in Manim and see how animation brings it to life. Original code, drawing a circle. Let's start by drawing a basic circle. Watch as the red bordered circle appears on the screen, creating a visual treat. Check out the code on the right, where simplicity meets animation. Code explanation. To recreate this, you just need a few lines of Python code. Create a scene, define a circle, and use the create and uncreate functions to animate it. Easy, right? Now, you can showcase your mathematical concepts dynamically. Introduction. Section 2. Drawing and filling a circle with color. Watch closely as the red bordered circle comes to life, filling with vibrant green color. This dynamic animation adds an extra layer of creativity to your visuals. Dive into the code on the right. By tweaking a few parameters, you can draw a circle, define its color, and smoothly fill it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more Manim tutorials. Happy animating!